end of the exams, they decided to go out as a group of friends. And I said to her, yes, go out and enjoy yourself because you have sacrificed so much. She went out, and up till today, I still regret telling her that she could go. I blamed myself for her death. People would come and say, yeah, it's all in the Lord's plan. Yes, we agree. Our lives are all put out for us. But you as a mother lose a child. You don't think the same way. A moment of madness can cause you a lifetime of sadness. And many a times when I feel suicidal and I can just hear her say, Mommy, are you ridiculous? Life is so beautiful. Why would you want to do things like that? I miss my daughter. Soos jy jou ma se kind is jy my kind ook. Want ek voel dit saam met jou moeder wat daardeur moet gaan. If not for you, drive safe for her.